Hello foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the hearts of South Indian cuisine with a dish that's not just delicious but also packed with protein, Adai dosa. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us on this flavorful journey. Let's explore the art of making Adai dosa together. Begin by soaking the rice and chana dal overnight in water. Now into the blender add dried red chilies, garlic, coconut and a piece of ginger. Grind everything well and now add in the soaked chana dal and rice. Add water as needed to achieve a thick consistency batter. Transfer the batter to a bowl, add finely chopped onions, coriander leaves, curry leaves, cumin, asafoetida and salt to taste. Mix everything well. Heat a dosa tawa, pour a spoonful of batter onto the hot tawa and spread it in a circular motion. Drizzle some oil around the edges and cook until the bottom turns golden brown. Flip the dosa and cook the other side until it's crisp and brown. Our delicious and nutritious Adai dosa are ready to be served. They are perfect on their own or with some coconut chutney or sambar. It's a taste of South Indian that's sure to bring a smile to your face. Thank you for joining us on this Adai dosa adventure. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more South Indian delights and let us know in the comments if you tried making these hearty dosas. Until next time, happy cooking.